Hi, welcome to Skulearn. We are the #1 platform where you can learn real life skills, discover who you really are, find your purpose, build resilience, and prepare for the real world. Our courses are designed for young people worldwide between the ages of 13 and 35 years. In this course series, we'll be learning about time and responsibility mastery, owning your life. This course focuses on building discipline and awareness. By the end of the course, you should be able to say confidently, I take responsibility for my time and actions. I know what matters, plan my day, and follow through on my responsibilities. Module 1, Understanding Time. What is my day made of? Time is the one thing we all get the same amount of every day, 24 hours. How you use those hours decides how much you achieve and how balanced your life feels. Some of that time is for school, some for home, and some for yourself. Understanding where your time goes is the first step in taking control of your life. Reflection point. Which parts of my day feel wasted and which parts feel valuable? Do this. Create a daily time diary for 3 days. Divide your day into school, homework, chores, personal time, and fun. Highlight one area where you could use your time better. Module 2, Building Daily Routines. Routines are like guides for your day. When you have a good routine, you don't have to think about every small decision, and you can focus on what matters most. Morning routines, after school routines, and bedtime routines keep you on track. Reflection point. What small routine can I add tomorrow to make my day easier? Do this. Pick one part of your day, morning, after school, or bedtime. Write down 3 to 5 things you will do at that time every day for a week. Check off each task every day and notice how it changes your day. Module 3, Responsibility at Home and School. Responsibility is about doing what you are supposed to do without being reminded. At school, this could mean finishing homework. At home, it could mean helping with chores or caring for your things. Being responsible shows others they can trust you, and it makes your life easier because things run smoothly. Ask yourself, what is one responsibility I avoid, and how does it affect me or others? Do this. Make a responsibility tracker for the week. Write down all your responsibilities at school and home. Every day, mark if you completed them on time. At the end of the week, see where you did well and where you can improve. Module 4, Understanding Procrastination. Procrastination is waiting until the last minute to do something you know you should do. It can make you stressed and rushed. Often, we procrastinate because a task feels too big or boring. Breaking tasks into smaller steps makes it easier to start. Reflection point. When I put something off, what am I feeling or thinking that stops me from starting? Do this. Choose a task you've been avoiding. Break it into 3 smaller steps. Set a timer for 15 minutes and complete the first step. Reflect on how it felt to start. Module 5, Simple Planning Tools, To-Do Lists and Schedules. A to-do list and schedule are like maps for your day. A list tells you what needs to be done. A schedule shows when you will do it. Writing it down helps you remember and keeps you focused. Ask yourself, how does writing down my tasks make me feel about my day? Do this. Create a weekly planner with your school, homework, chores, and personal activities. Each evening, review the next day and adjust your plan if needed. At the end of the week, check off completed tasks and celebrate what you accomplished. Module 6, Habit Building Games. Good habits make life easier because you do them without thinking. Habits take time to form. By practicing daily and tracking your progress, small changes become natural. You can make habit building fun with challenges and rewards. Ask yourself, what is one habit I want to build, and what small step can I start with today? Do this. Choose one habit to develop, like making your bed, doing homework on time, or practicing an instrument. Use a habit chart and mark every day you do it. Reward yourself after completing one week successfully. We have come to the end of this course. You may now proceed to receive your certificate of completion. For further studies, visit the Skulearn digital store to get books. And you can explore other resources too. Play games, find career coaches, and get inspiration from Global Role Models Hub. If you enjoyed this course, kindly share with your friends and family, asking them to sign up too and learn. You may also give us a review on our Google. Bye for now.